tell you he's been doing this a while. Make a movie, make a review, while Junior Blue and Colin react to some previews. Pull the chair up, get your view on. Gonna have the Cutie EV2 marathon. Ready to laugh, ready to cry, cause it's time to watch some Cutie EV2 tonight. Cutie EV2.
Like the wind. Oh my god! What the frick is that? Oh god!
Welcome guys, the best channel in the world.
Freak yeah!
Oh shit, winter is coming, motherfuckers. Hit the music.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Okay, Jonathan, stop! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's go watch some shit. Hello everyone, this is Bowser Jr. and that's right everyone, it's Glider time once again. Because for the time I'm making this video, Glider just released a new video. And that of course is SML YouTube Poop, the snowstorm. Oh shit, things are going to get crazy. So let's check it out everyone.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
To be honest, I want to go to the beach. Cause I do not want any more of this cold shit. I hate it. Oh my god, you literally trapped poor Marvin. What the hell? And actually, wait a minute. Wait a second. I thought they live in Florida. It doesn't really much snow in Florida. What the hell?
Get to see snow for the first time.
You are see snow for the first time. What the hell? Dude.
Get wrecked, kid.
Yeah, get wrecked, motherfucker.
69.
Oh my god.
A storm is hitting us right now, so stay inside.
Damn.
I just came. What the fuck?
Oh my god. Be a jack. It's Christmas. I love that song. That song is so amazing. I love it.
I finally get a day to just sit back, dude. Crack turn black.
How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole?
Wait, what?
Guy, you wanna have a snowball fight? Oh yeah.
Yes!
It feels good.
Oh my god, what the hell is going on here?
Boring. Come on, guys, let's go.
Yeah, fuck the dudes. Have some fucking fun with snow.
Boring. You guys wanna get married to a sex phone operator?
Yes!
Wait, what?
I'm starting to think Junior's not coming.
Oh shit.
Have you seen Jeffy?
I don't know.
Where's Jeffy?
Jeffy's dead, dude. Jeffy is literally dead. I'm pretty sure he is.
Really make my Christmas dream come true. I kind of wish.
What is Jeffy
Oh
doing?
my god, shut up, Joseph. Yep, I do. He's dead.
How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole?
Wait, what?
I kind of wish.
Oh my god, Joseph, shut up. Oh my god, Jeffy is dying right now. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, hold up. Oh my god, he's bleeding. Did he just chop his legs off?
Marvin, why are you biting your pee-pee?
Wait, what?
Oh, Jeffy!
Oh my god, he chopped his own legs off. Damn.
Today's weather forecast is a sunny, no cloud day.
Oh, good. That's nice.
Nice day outside. Let's go swimming.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to
Yay.
Someone edit a penis right here.
Oh my god. Oh man. Glider, you never disappoint, my man. You never disappoint. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. This is Bowser Jr. signing out. Woo!